The relationship between wine consumption and migraine is a controversial topic among migraine patients and a contentious topic in neurological literature. Recent findings from a 2025 comprehensive meta-analysis examining over 65,000 participants challenges our traditional understanding of this relationship. After analyzing 5 major studies, researchers found something surprising. There is no strong evidence that wine increases migraine attack risk. In fact, the data suggests that if there is any relationship at all, it's not a clear-cut wine causes migraine situation. Let's consider the traditional proposed mechanisms. First up, histamine. Wine contains histamine, and alcohol also blocks the enzyme diamine oxidase that would normally break down histamine. Now, these two mechanisms results in increased histamine, which can make blood vessels expand or vasodilate. Scientists thought this expansion might trigger pain signals in the brain, leading to migraine attacks. Now, sulfites, which were the original suspect, they're preservatives in wine that help prevent spoilage. The old theory was that sulfites triggered inflammation in the brain, but white wine actually contains more sulfites than red wine, yet red wine gets blamed more often for headaches. This inconsistency made scientists question the whole sulfite theory. Now for phenols. These are compounds that give wine its color and complexity. Scientists discovered that phenols might block an important enzyme in your body that helps process certain chemicals. When this enzyme gets blocked, it could lead to a buildup of substances that might trigger pain signals. Finally, tannins. These are what make your mouth feel dry after drinking red wine. The theory was that tannins could trigger serotonin release, a neurotransmitter involved in migraine pathophysiology. But here's where it gets interesting. Tannins are found in many foods we eat or drink daily. Black tea, dark chocolate, pomegranates, walnuts, and even cinnamon. Yet these foods aren't commonly reported as migraine triggers. Why would wine be different if tannins were the culprit? This new meta-analysis suggests none of these mechanisms tell the whole story. Instead of a simple cause and effect relationship, we're looking at a complex relationship between genetics, brain chemistry, and individual sensitivity. These findings don't invalidate your individual experiences. If wine triggers your migraine attacks, that's real. But at a population level, the relationship appears far more complex than previously thought. This challenges not just our understanding of wine and migraine, but how we approach migraine trigger research as a whole.